Ready for more benefits? Upgrading your Amex card can be a great move, but you need to know the rules to get the best deal. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can often upgrade by logging into your account and checking the Card Management section for upgrade offers, e.g., from Gold to Platinum. You can also call customer service and ask. Important: upgrading does not trigger a new account opening, so it won't make you eligible for the card's public welcome bonus. Your account history stays the same, which is good for your credit score. My crucial pro tip: ask for a retention offer and an upgrade offer. Before upgrading, call and ask if there are any upgrade incentives, like a bonus points offer for spending. Also, see if they'll give you a retention offer on your current card. Sometimes it's better to keep your old card and apply for the new one separately to get the big welcome bonus. Weigh the value of the upgrade against the value of a new application. Would you upgrade for benefits, or always apply new for the bonus? For more strategic credit card advice, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.